Alright, intro to trig. This is all about right angled triangles and what you would have done in high school. So to start, Pythag's theorem. This is all about finding a side length when you already know two of the other side lengths. We're not dealing with angles yet, just dealing with sides. And this is our rule. A squared equals b squared plus c squared, where a is your longest side. So long as you have a longest side, you need to have a plus. If you were trying to find a short side, you would rearrange this equation so that you have either of the short sides equals our long side minus our known short side. And that's the equations you're going to use. So for our first one here, we have our long side is our unknown, and that doesn't matter which way you put b and c. So a squared equals b squared plus c squared. That's how we start. And we don't know a squared, but we know b and c. So we get a squared equals 25 plus 144. So a squared equals 169. So then our last step is to square root. Now when I tell you to square root, usually I want a plus or minus, but considering this is an actual length, we only want the positive version. So there we go, using Pythag. B, so same again, we still don't know the long side, so we're going to use the addition version. So b squared plus c squared. So we get 7.2 squared plus 5.3 squared. And 5.3 squared. So a squared equals alright, and then our last step is we square root that. So square root of our answer is 8.9. And there we have it. So addition is really straightforward. So technically, when you're trying to find the long side, you could rearrange the equation yourself, or you can just remember that you need to use a minus now. And so long as it is your big side minus your little side, you're going to be okay. So therefore, B equals 9 meters. So just as easy, just subbing values in. Now for this last one, it doesn't look like our long side, but it is because it's opposite our right angle. So once again, looking for a short side. 3.2 squared. Alright, so it has got quite a few steps, but it's good for us to know how to use Pythag. And so B equals 8.1. Generally we go to the same number of decimal places as what's in the question. So there's one decimal place in the question, one decimal place in our answer. Cool, and that's Pythag.